want to learn how to make a macrame knot pattern that resembles a knitted blanket, then stay tuned to find out how. Nicole here from BOCHIKNOT Macrame, and today I'm going to show you how to connect several columns of endless false knots and turn it into a knitted pattern. So when I first looked at this pattern, I thought it was knitted or crocheted and not macrame, but I can assure you that this was 100% macrame and no knitting or crocheting needles were involved. All you need to know to make this pattern is to know the endless false knot, and I will be walking you through that in this tutorial. To be able to connect the patterns together to make a wider design, we will be switching some of the working cords. If you want to learn more knots and knot patterns to incorporate into your own macrame designs, we do offer a free 50 knots and sentence ebook for download over on BOCHIKNOT.com. And with that said, let's get right into it. To demonstrate this pattern, I've attached 6 strands of cord at 200 centimeters long each onto a dowel with lark's head knots. To begin our first endless false knot, we're going to take the far left 4 cords, and in that section, take the far left and far right cords as anchor cords by crisscrossing them underneath the middle 2 cords. Then take the middle 2 cords, wrap it underneath, through the back, and through the middle hole up at the top. Pull the cord ends through, and then pull on the working cord ends and the anchor cord ends to tighten. Then with the next 4 cords over to the right, repeat the same knot. Make this knot once more with the far right 4 cords. Now to connect all 3 knot sections together, for the left section, we're going to use the far left cord as the anchor cord again, but this time we're going to borrow the cord next to it on the right side from the left side of the middle section, and we're going to use those as anchor cords to make the endless false knot on the left side. Then in the middle section, we're going to take cords from the far left and far right sections to make the endless false knot in the middle. Then with the far right section, we're going to take that cord from the middle section on the left side as the anchor cord, and then the same anchor cord on the right side, and then continue on with the endless false knot. And we have now completed a full row of this pattern combining the endless false knots together. So now all you have to do is repeat this for as many rows as you want below. Once you have made several rows, this is what the pattern should look like. You should have a braid-like pattern in between that forms a knitted pattern. And that concludes our knitted blanket pattern. What did you guys think of this? Let me know in the comment section below. This is also a great pattern to use instead of the alternating square knot pattern. So if you're wanting to change things up for your base layer and use a different pattern instead of the alternating square knot, this would be it. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button to stay tuned to our latest tutorials. And with that said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.